guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Shatakshi. I hope you guys like it here. So I'm back with yet another video, and this video is going to be our princess box for the month of April. And this is how the box looks like. Without wasting any further time, let's just get into it. But just a quick announcement, I have a giveaway on my channel going on right now for the sugar box for the month of April. Go check it out if you would like to participate. So moving on to this. So the theme for this month is again Royal Box. I ordered Royal Box for myself, and this is Around the World Volume 2. So again, we have received products from all over the world. Overall, we have received 10 different products, and one of this was pre-booking gift. So starting with the first thing, this is a pre-booking gift, and okay, let's see if you are able to guess from the packaging what is this. You get 2 seconds. 3 maybe. Okay, so this is a Fenty Beauty lipstick, and this is in the shade Spank. So this is a very nice warm brownish nude, a little deeper than nude, but kind of nude that will easily suit Indian tones. For all of the tones, deep skin tones, or even the people with lighter tone, this will suit everybody. This is from USA, and this one retails for 1,250 rupees. So I'll be adding all of the prices and from where is this product here somewhere on the screen. Moving on to the next thing that is from Philippines, it is this lipstick. So this is Sunny Space lipstick, and we had a lot of options to choose from. So she gave us 5 different options, and obviously I had to go with red because nothing beats red, right? So this is how the lipstick looks like. This is how it came in, and the shade that I went for was Major. It is like a deep velvet red. I'm not sure if you can see that, but this looks like so delicious kind of red, the kind of red that is going to suit everybody once again. And can you guess how it looks on me? So this is our second product. The next thing that I see inside is this, and this is Benefit Bad Girl Bang Mascara. So this is a voluminous mascara. Obviously this is a travel size. This is 3 ml and it retails for 1,000 rupees again. So the wand is like kind of silicone or plastic kind of wand, and these kind of wands tend to get clumpier less, and the bristles are very evenly defined. And if you can see that, like, it is supposed to be like this, so there are shorter bristles on the the starting or the head of the band and more on the back. So that is that. So the next thing that is from Canada is this. So this is Pixie Milky Tonic. This contains jojoba, milk, and oat soothing toner. So this is a toner. We all know cleansing, toning, moisturizing is very good for our skin. So that is that. Then from Australia we receive this thing. So this is Lucas Papaw ointment, and if I'm not wrong, then this is like Betnomid or Boro Plus. So it is supposed to be a local topical application for boils, burns, chafing, cuts, cracked skin, gravel, rashes, spinsters, open wounds, insect bites, nappy rash. So basically it's all in one Sarvagun Sampan kind of cream that is going to help you with any skin problem. And from India or Turkey we have this, which I just lost. So this one came in this cute little red potli, and this one is like those bracelets, you know, the bracelets that save you from jinx. So this blue eye bracelet, I'm sure even if you don't believe in it, you would have seen this on the internet somewhere. So this is like a very classy, like minimalist kind of bracelet. You can easily wear it. It comes with this kind of that, so you can easily wear it like so, and just pull the string, and it is easily, you can easily fit your arm into this. So this is how it looks like. From Korea we have this Vanilla Co Clean It Zero Mini. So this one is 7 ml and it retails for 550 rupees, and if I'm not wrong, this is like the Clinique Take the Day Off. So it's like a cleansing balm for removing your makeup. Then from Japan we get this Miniso nail paint. So this is the water-based nail paints. If you have been to Miniso, these are very famous among them. The worst part about this is that it gets removed easily, so it's not very long lasting, but if you're into that kind of stuff, then this is like pure paint. Okay, so I don't see any color name on this, but then this is a red with a lot of silverish kind of shifts to it. From Korea we receive this. This is a milk mask like the sheet mask. This is there are two variants in this, charcoal and milk, and I received milk, and I think that is good because my skin is extremely dry, so I would love all of the hydration that milk can give over to me. And the last thing that we received is this. Yeah, so this one is from Korea, and this is XoXo. I don't know how to call it. This is a clarifying mask. So basically, just like your Ever Youth Orange Skill Peel mask, this is one clarifying mask. So you put out a thick layer on your face and you wait for some time and then you remove it. So that is that. And we also get a sweet little treat. So that is everything that we received in this particular month. Overall, we paid 6,500, I guess. And this is the actual value of how much, like the value or the actual. And this is the actual value of the entire things that we have received in this particular box. So please comment down below with what was your favorite product. Mine has to be the lipstick and the mascara. The lipstick and the mascara. And please comment down below with what was your favorite product. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep smiling and I love you guys.